Shenseea is having baby fever again.
I got my money. What am I waiting for? Can I have some sperm? Somebody? I want another baby.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, before we get into Shenseea wanting some more babies, I just want to say congratulations to her, right? Her song on the Kanye West album, one of them, Okay, Okay, part 2, it's on the Billboard. Not sure what number it is right now, but we see this yesterday, so I don't want to tell you a number and then it move up or down. You see what I say? But it's on the chart. But Shenseea been talking about more children for a while now. Like me here, she said it's more than once before, right? And then she said it again recently. So we know it go Raja get older. Maybe she feel like she want to do it over again. I have a video with Raj more for showing, so take a look. Yeah, people, so let's see what I go on and see how big him get, right? I grew up right in front of our eyes. So like we say, people, Shenseea always talk about having more children, but she always sound like a 1 or 2. You see what I say? But this time she make it clear like she go all the way up to about 4 total. So I have the video for showing them, I go show in a second, right? And she talk about her age and all, she have her money and all that. So she say she really not see why she wouldn't have more. And that's one thing I will her back from. What me understand, she never give you that in detail, but me know one can guess what that is from one ear in the front of the video, right? So me don't know. Maybe there's a Prince Charming out there or somewhere or somebody for that can be our baby father. You see what I say? So when you start showing in an application, sending in an application, when you know Shenseea standard, she talk about it on our live already. So let's take a listen to this and hear what Shenseea say about wanting more babies. So here goes.
I'm just sitting here looking the most beautiful baby boy in the world and wondering when am I gonna get another kid. I want another baby. I want another baby. I love my son. I want another son, and I want a girl. Or I can have 3 sons and a girl. I'm 24. I got my money. What am I waiting for? Can I have some sperm? Somebody? I want another baby.
Yeah, people, so now hear what she has said. And like we said, people, and her first she has said. Also, me hear other female artists said. We hear Jada Kingdom said on her live with verse that she already know, right? We hear Spice also said she want twins. So we don't know it go. And this is not just in the dancehall community. We are talking about Cardi B, when she did about we have our first child, people are tell her, and I say like, why would she have a child while she at the peak of her career? And she say, why not? I best time to do it, right? We also know about Nicki Minaj, right? Nicki wait a little bit and then now she have her son, she enjoy that. You see me? So people want to think say Shenseea just in at the heat at the moment or want to feel like she really want more children. You know why she keep on mention it. You see what I mean? I say? Or she just a troll we are what? When I tell you what I think down in the comment section. Also, people want to think about, is it good overall? This not only to do with artists. This have like females overall. What do you think? It better for them have the kids them when them young, like how Shenseea mentioned, she at 24, or them can wait a little bit. Them say most women have up till about 35 before, they can really have kids, which women have kids after that, but them kind of recommend before 35, right? I'm going to say congratulations to Cardi B and Offset on them second child, right? Them just had a child this past week, so big them up on that. So ladies, let me know what you think down in the comment section. What you think? Do it now from when you're young, or when you recommend wait till we don't know when to get everything in order. Let me know. Yeah, people, so we are gonna move on and we are gonna talk about Spice. So we don't know Spice and Chug It promoter, they have them differences the other day, and Spice go up on her live and she show all of the evidence them that it's not her fault, why she never get to perform, right? I want to know Chug It say for them thing. I don't want to see a heap of video on YouTube about it. However, if you want to see it or you just want to see the evidence them alone, I post a video showing Spice side of the story, just the evidence part them alone. Cut out all of the unnecessary talking them, right? Well, anyway, the Observer post an article or a video or something. I don't remember exactly how them post, but in the caption, which is the important part, this is what them say. So them said there's a major brouhaha brewing between Andrew French Wright, founder of Chug It Party Series, and Grace Spice Hamilton, Queen of the Dancehall, over her non-appearance at the Miami show over the Labor Day weekend, right? And I'm going to say the organizers had threatened legal action and issued strongly worded statement placing the blame squarely for the no-show, on the head of Spice. Read more in a them story, swipe up, right? Now people, Spice go see that. I want to know how this thing go, right? So Spice comment under it and Spice say, please revise your caption and don't play buyout games with me. I was definitely at the venue, and if you were doing your job and following this story that you choose to bring to the public, you would have known that, hence the reason why non-appearance should not exist in your caption. All I wanna at the same thing. No, first thing me have to say, me have to respect Spice for keep this clean. You see what me I say? Because you know say Spice can get other than that, right? But she did, and you know, she addressed them. She not really clout them like that, but she addressed them and she said, don't buy out the thing. I don't know if it take out the non-show because she was there. Which people, I mean, from her live when she said she was in Miami, so there's no reason for she like, you know what I mean, fly all the way to Miami if you not go. But people, let me know what you think down in the comment section about both of these stories, both the Shenseea and the Spice thing. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. Do the right thing all the time. I'll see you on the next video. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.